the standard was fantastic, and we loved so many things in the show. This one we definitely all agreed on, and it was because it encapsulated the moment, the year we were in. It was funny, it was humorous, it was done with great technical skill. Time had clearly been spent on wrouting this thing into reality. It was a great symbiosis of the super contemporary in the now and the tradition of craft as well. I think we were all thoroughly in agreement that the judges' prize, which is £1,000, goes to Emily Grimble. So congratulations, Emily.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's it's so lovely to hear your comments on the work. I think that it's obvious that everything, sort of the work was channeling the sort of mix of emotions we were all experiencing, and it was a way of processing those thoughts. So I think it's amazing to hear how it did connect to the audience, as you have said that it has. And I think, as Leslie said, you know, the arts have been really devastated in the last year. So things such as this and open calls are so important in terms of getting our work seen and continuing the conversations. So thank you so much. I'm so happy. And yeah, I suppose I'll just say a little bit about the work as well. So it's titled C19 Text Talk, and it's I refer to it as a hand embroidered diary. And it was created over a period of 100 days since the start of the UK lockdown last year. So basically, you know, I was, as we all were, absorbing a lot of information, processing that information, and I created a series of embroideries which are a response to that. So some are directly from the media, some are, you know, my own personal responses to the situation, some are government guidelines, and sort of, you know, reappropriating them with, you know, with a traditional, you know, craft technique, but in a more contemporary way as well. Yeah, I think I'm trying to think of anything else. But yeah, I'm just so grateful, and I think that it really was a sort of a bit of a labour of love over a few months. So it's great to have it seen, you know, even virtually, and to know that you enjoyed it.
Thank you, Emily. Yeah, it definitely came across as a labour of love.